damage to deal with. Now, the hurricane is going to continue to push toward the U.S. today and into tomorrow, but the good news is we expect it to take a turn to the north. We could see some impacts right along the coast of Florida, through Georgia and into the Carolinas over the next couple of days.
So there you have it. That is Storm or Hurricane Dorian's update, and we'll give you a view outside the window of our hotel. There's a chap over there who's packing the last of the noodles away and the pool accessories, but everything has been cleared.
Okay, so the weather forecast looks pretty bleak for the next couple of days, so why not make the most of, while we've still got a bit of nice weather, to go to Volcano Bay, and hopefully it's going to be a bit quieter.
Yes, we've seen some posts on Tinterweb saying that Universal Studios is completely dead.
Yeah.
So
we're just hoping that it's going to be the same for Volcano Bay.
I think today is going to be fine. I don't think the winds are coming until tonight.
Yeah.
Again, at the moment, it's a tropical storm only.
It's so volatile as well. We just don't know where it's going to go and what it's going to do. So everyone's saying that at the minute.
Looking out the window now at this weather, you wouldn't think that there is actually a hurricane that's already started to hit the coast of Florida.
Like, I'll pan round, I'll show you. Like, nothing's moving barely. Like, the trees are pretty much stationary. There's just no sign for it. So imagine what it would have been like years and years ago without all this technology and all the weather reports that are being done. I mean, they've been reporting storms here since 1950. So yeah, I mean, gosh, if you didn't have that, you'd never know. You'd never be able to prepare yourself for it. But anyway, we're gonna get ourselves over to Volcano Bay. We'll see you there in a bit.
So here's our rental car. I think we're showing you this in a travel day vlog anyway, or I'll give you a quick look at it.
Yeah, I think it's more the back end that we got to film.
So this is the Tahoe. And we'll just show you at the front. It's like super high.
I'm not that tall.
No. But this is the Suburban.
Oh.
So this is the older brother. This is Suburban. So it's just a little bit longer. It's exactly the same vehicle. But the back end is just a bit longer, so you can get extra boot space in. So as you can see, the parking lot is absolutely empty.
Like, there's a dodo.
Yeah, there's a dodo. We're parked right down there, and there's only 3 rows that are full up at the minute. But you can purchase your tickets in the parking lot. And I think it's worth pointing out, if I can just zoom in, that a 4-day ticket for an adult is $400. That is a 3-park 4-day ticket. Volcano Bay! A site that I will never, ever get bored of. Volcano Bay. Here, Universal Studios, Orlando. Cabana Bay Tower in the background. And the ultimate challenge of getting through these gaps without getting your feet wet. But it's fine. I've got flip-flops on. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just look at this. Like, I know I keep saying it, but the park is completely empty. Just look at it. It's brilliant.
I really think I need
Lulu,
Yeah.
do you want to grab a picture?
Yeah.
It's got to be a portrait picture, isn't it? Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Move closer, it says. There we go.
Okay?
Yeah. Is it blurred?
Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
That's alright. $5.
Yeah, boy. Do you want to get a selfie together?
Yeah, let's get a selfie. Something I wanted to show you guys was the instant cooling towels. Basically like a thin towel that you keep wet and then you can put it over your head and keeps you cool, which is really good. You can get them here for like, these are $20, but it's obviously a Volcano Bay one. But you can go to Walmart and get them super cheap. And then you can get the spray bottles that you can keep yourself cool with.
$15 a spray bottle.
$15, yeah. But I'm here for the spray sun lotion aerosol can. It is a lot of money, it's $16, but I could have probably got it from Walmart a bit cheaper. But this is a lot better to put on.
You like putting that one on, don't you?
Yeah.
I prefer the
And the one you...
real fair, so I need to make sure that I've like rubbed it all in.
But I hate getting it in, and I've got like a hairy back, so it's a bit difficult.
Hairy.
Yeah. So you can thank me in the comments below, because this is brilliant. So we're just currently at the lockers at the minute, and normally we do everything on our credit card because it's 0% commission, but in a bit to try and save some money and budget ourselves, we've got daily cash. So go medium, and then I'm going to pop the bills in. Can I do them all, or do I have to do them one by one? No, one by one. So it's telling me please wait, transaction successful, proceed to locker station. So I should know what my tapu tapu is. Let's try this one. Locker 6, we're good to go. So those of you who are regular viewers will know that I need to wear ear protection, stop water getting in my ears. So I've managed to have some like custom molds made, and they feel really good. So I'm going to test them out here in Volcano Bay in the water. And last time you said wowzers and I went under first, so you've got to do it on your own.
It's got my ankles cold.
You're going to have to get your ankles and shoulders wet. Oh, you've done it! You've done it!
It's so cold! Come on, Will. You can do it. It's not so bad once you're in.
Sorry?
It's not so bad once you're in.
Oh, well, we're in now. And it's a little bit breezy. So let's put the head underwater now and see if I can get my ears wet without any water getting in.
Oh, the sprayed. The sprayed. Wow.
That's the only problem wearing glasses.
Yeah, but get some water out your eyes.
Just look at that. Just take a minute.
Hey, we'll just turn around to show how quiet it is.
Yeah. It is absolutely dead. Now, of course, this is the first thing you see when you walk into the entrance of Volcano Bay, and I would say this is probably the busiest area. We've got this annoying little tourist in front of us.
Oh God, look at all the birds. Look, they know something's going on.
Oh yeah,
Look, all
look
the
at
birds are vacating. They're going, see you later.
This is where the wave starts.
Yeah, boy. You got a good little water down this thing, ain't you?
Yeah, boy. Oh, you evil woman. Cruella. Here she comes. There's the waves, they're starting now. Yeah, they're coming. It was a nice peaceful holiday until somebody clapped their hands and the wave started.
I started it, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's getting lively now. So Lelly's braving it. She's going to go onto the Oh No drop slide. We're going to go around the side and film her coming out. It's nice knowing you. Farewell. Here she comes, just out of this slide here. So I actually got this wrong. You rode oh yeah rather than oh no. I think what threw us is that when you queued up, you went up to the right hand side, and I thought you'd come out the right hand side.
Oh, I see.
You okay?
It's your turn now.
Oh, okay.
So Will's just setting up to go down the slide, but just before I show you him plopping in the water, I'm just going to show that they're starting to get all set up ready for Hurricane Dorian. They're over there tying all of the loungers together, getting ready to store them. Here you go, you can just see him in the tunnel. Here he comes! Whoa! Big plop!
Don't see any water spot in my right ear or my left ear. I've changed my left one to the original, but
It's a good one, isn't it?
and that's only like the dicky little one.
I know. Right, should we move on and get some other ones?
Yeah. Got a groggy. And this is a fearless river, and it really is fearless. So you must wear a life vest while you're in there. We're just laying here, feet off the ground. And I'm going to try and keep the camera above the water so the audio doesn't get blocked. But, oh, it's just floating. This should be called a lazy river.
Yeah, but it kind of is, but it's just too exciting to be lazy. Like, you can relax in it. Or you're going to get bopped. Here it goes!
Oh! No, definitely not a lazy river. Whoa!
We'll go and do a bit of relaxing downtime.
Want some relaxing downtime, yeah?
Yeah. We've
Well-
never been in this one.
No, we haven't. No, we have. Oh, no, because they used to have the rubber rings in the Fearless River.
They did, yeah.
So,
let's go and chill for a bit.
it looks like they're deflating loads of the rings, I assume in preparation for Hurricane Dorian. But,
Still loads of tubes out there though.
loads of tubes out there.
Just trying to climb into them when you're this deep in water. Seems a little bit cloudier out here now. Yeah. Oh, sometimes you just need a bit of downtime in a lazy river. Whoa!
Oh. Hey, sweetie.
Wow, that came over quick, didn't it?
It literally just started raining. I mean, there's like river streams. I don't know if that's... You've got like river streams through the park.
Little streams, yeah. Woo. That's like...
I thought that was thunder then.
No, it's a little blowhole thing.
But... Oh.
Wow. They reckon they weren't going to get any rain until 3 o'clock. Which is like, to be fair, this time of year it's like traditional raining time, isn't it?
Well,
on 3 o'clock it rains.
You get your afternoon. But this, ladies and gents, is called tropical weather.
Yeah.
You come to Florida and this is what you need to expect. But it stopped. As quick as it started, it stopped.
Yeah. Passed over, but my God, that was strong. That was really intense rain.
And look, sunny. Where's the sun?
Exactly. Look, sun's come out now. Look how black that sky is.
Look at that. The sun's out.
Sun's out.
Sun's out.
Right.
This is Orlando weather for you. We're in a tropical climate.
Yeah, we like went to go get dressed and then came out and it was like this. It was like,
Well,
oh, I thought it had passed over.
It was super hard raining, wasn't it?
I thought it had already passed over, but it's the next band of rain.
You've just bumped into, was it Ears to Magic?
Here's the magic.
Ears to the Magic.
Had a good little natter with them in the ladies.
In the ladies. So, yeah. It was nice to see them, wasn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
So we're going to try and head out. So we just arrived at the Lime parking garage, and the first thing we've noticed is they've changed these little things up here above the car parking bays. So they used
like a disc with a round ball, like maybe a little bit with a round ball.
Yeah.
A round ball like that.
Yeah, it used to be a black disc.
Glowing.
It still works, does show green when it's available. Yeah, this is our tradition. We always park at the Lime parking garage, and I promise never ever to say this again on another vlog. But this smells delicious.
It always smells so nice, isn't it?
We're not going to say it anymore. So let's take a look in the world of Disney. We've got some of these snap-ons. Give us your hand, Les. Let's see if it works. Ready?
Yes. I like that.
That's how we roll. Oh, it actually says something on the back. So, home is where the haunt is. Haunted mansion.
I like it.
Ha 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 ha. Lelly's spotted.
Different ones, look.
Yeah, you spotted these ears, haven't you?
Yeah.
Both $27.99.
Oh, there's them ones. I love them.
I prefer these ones with a black bow.
Nice.
They're like cocoa ears, aren't they?
Yes. Love them.
How much are they?
$27.99.
There is so much Halloween merch in here. It's unreal. Like, Disney has upped their game. It was brilliant anyway, but they've just got even better. Look at these hats, Lou.
Oh yeah, they're really cool. Oh, so cute. And the t-shirt's nice. The shear's t-shirt.
Glows in the dark. Oh, wow, that orange one looks the nuts.
Oh, look at the spirit jersey. It's literally the coolest one because it's glittery. It's like the candy corn.
That is the favourite spirit jersey.
That is amazing. I love that.
That is
so
awesome.
much.
$65.
Is that how much it is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's 65. I think I might get a spirit jersey with my birthday money.
Oh, yeah, because it's your birthday soon.
I know.
In a few days. That, we've both looked at it with the tie-dye orange effect. We
Yeah.
think that is probably one of our favourite t-shirts.
It's lovely, isn't it? What's on the back? There's some on the back as well.
Disney World, we've got some bats. But let's have a look at the front again. Oops. We've got Mickey, Goofy and Donald there.
$35.
The Evil Queen of Halloween. $35.
I love the poison apple.
Poison
Put a
apple.
tea light in it.
How much is it?
That's a good question. $20.
$20.
I love that.
What do you reckon then, Lou? Do you reckon I should get one?
Oh darling. It's very fetching.
Even fits me.
Evil Queen of Halloween.
Mama Coco.
Mama Coco. Oh, we need to get a bag for life from here. 'Cause it should be a different colour to the bag for life that I got from the premium outlets.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
There's a really nice one. Feels good.
Print go all the way around.
No, but the tie-dye does.
$35.
35.
For that one. See, I did all that tie-dye last year because I love tie-dye. And then, blow me, it all comes in this year.
There we are.
Obviously following my trends, darling. Oh, that's a nice t-shirt.
Which one? Ooh. Same price before, $35. Lelly's brought a new jacket and she's got a Mickey Mouse club patch and she's got some pins or
Got
buttons.
some Hard Rock Cafe buttons and little thingy.
Unlock
and
the
I've got
button.
loads of other ones to put on, but these are just a quick one to put on so I can wear my jacket today.
There's another Halloween spirit jersey. Haunted Mansion. This glows in the dark. I don't know if it's just round the edge or whether it's a whole bit.
will glow.
And the print in here is nice.
Yeah.
But cost free.
Free!
Hey Lou, there's another spirit jersey here in purple.
That's a nice one, isn't it? The glitter.
That is really nice. 65 quid again. Sorry, $65.
I think they're all 65, aren't they?
Yeah. Lelly, Forky.
Forky! Hi, Forky! Let me throw myself in the trash!
Yeah, throw myself in the trash.
I'm not a toy!
I'm garbage. And you can redress his arms, Les. So obviously in Toy Story 4 we got Ducky and Bunny here. But we both just said we feel a bit uneasy walking past because they...
A bit uncomfortable. I feel like they're going to like throw themselves off the shelf and start like decking me.
Where did you two come from?
Let's move away from them.
Yeah. And he was like, what are them jars? And the lady says, pixie dust.
I thought it was sherbet.
And he was like, yeah, different flavours of sherbet. But yeah,
It's pixie dust.
Tink comes flying around.
She bounces all over the jars.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to keep my camera out ready. So look, Tink actually moves around and taps one of the picture frames and makes a move. There we are. So the moon's dropping now. And
Turned into a Cheshire Cat.
Look at that. And that will stay like that until Tink comes out again. Look at all these sweets. You've got mint, sea salt caramel, intense dark, 60% cocoa.
I bet that's so nice.
But looking on here, if you've got approximately sort of 35 squares in a medium box, you're paying $20. So on a gold tin, approximately 15 squares, but gold tin is $13, so just under $1 each.
And each square is only 11 grams.
Yes. However, we think that these are a lot better value for money.
They're $3.95 per 100 gram bar, and it's buy 3 bars, get 1 free. So you'd get 400 grams for $12.
Based on these pick and mix ones, samples, if you're doing squares by weight, you got half a pound, which is roughly 225 grams at $10. But the ones Lelly showed you were
400 grams, so it's 100 grams per slab. You're getting 4 for $12.
yeah.
So it works out cheaper to get the slabs than it does to get the mixes. But these are convenient because they're little and there's like lots of different flavours. But I think that's worthwhile doing with these slabs.
Yeah, buy a slab. So we've just gone inside the hangar bar to grab a Coke, and look at this. How cool is that?
So cute. Right, we're going to sit down and listen to some music for a bit.
Yeah, we're just going to go and listen to some music now.
Good morning everyone. So we just wanted to quickly say thanks ever so much for watching. It is the following day now, but we kind of forgot to close the vlog off, so we just wanted to say thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.